How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we'll be showing off the Google Sheets integration with FormKeep. So to get started, we'll go to the Data Integrations tab of the FormKeep tool and scroll down to the Google Sheets section and add a Google account. We'll get to a new page here and we'll just have to click Add a Google account again here. And then select the Google account that we want to add to FormKeep. Then it'll ask for access. FormKeep will ask for access to our Google information, so we'll allow that. And then go back. We'll see that our Google account was successfully connected, so we can go back to the FormKeep tool. We'll select the form that we want to connect to Google Sheets, in this case, the Google Sheets demo form. Keep in mind that this is a simple name form where the user just submits their name. We already have some data here, so that'll become important later on in the video. But we'll just go to the Data Integrations tab again, and once again scroll down to the Google Sheets section and select the account that we want to synchronize or sync with. In this case, we only have one account, and then we'll select the spreadsheet that we want to attach. Something that's important here is that if you have a lot of different spreadsheets, the one that's on top will be the one that it'll be ordered in last edited Google Sheet. So in this case, the last sheet that we edited was the FormKeep integration demo. So we'll click that one, and we'll select our worksheet. We'll just do sheet 1 for the case of this video, but you can see sheet 1 and sheet 2 in the bottom there. Now, if you want to, you can just click this button and it'll automatically add these different IDs, these different field names into your Google Sheet. But if you don't check that, you're gonna have to put these in manually. In this case, like I said, it's a very simple name form, so we don't have that many to choose from, but you can rearrange these in the order which is most useful to you, but you do have to use these exact different tags and field names for it to work properly. In this case, we'll just replace them on our own, or allow it to replace it, FormKeep to replace it, and then sync the worksheet. And on the right here, it should show up live on our sheet. And there it is, the different field names, and we'll see the synchronization added successfully, which is great. So now all we have to do is, to show this off, we'll make some submissions to our form. So here we are in our Google Sheets form, and like I said, it's a simple first name form. So in this case, we'll just say Mason is the person submitting, and after he submits, we should see the data pop up live. And there's the data, it just popped up. So then we can go back here, and like I said, you can rearrange these field names if you choose to. In this case, just now I just switched the first name to area in the FormKeep ID column. So now if we go back on this page and submit as Jason, that's not how you spell Jason. Then you submit, you should see the data pop up live here, which should be rearranged. The first column should say Jason. And there it is, it popped up live. So it's a very simple setup. You have some customization as far as which tag goes in, or which information goes in which column, and you can change that as you wish. But do take note, guys, that we had some information and some data in our form that had been submitted already, but only the forms that came through after the connection occurred will be displayed. In this case, Mason and Jason's names were displayed. That wraps it up for this video though, so if you have any more questions about this integration or any more questions about FormKeep, you can visit the frequently asked questions page of the FormKeep tool. You can also use, on the bottom right hand corner, there's a chat feature where you can chat with our support team live if you wish to, and then you can also just email our team directly, our support team directly, given the address on screen now. But I hope this video was helpful, and have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.